Yo guys, this is HumbleFx and today I'm talking about something very important. So this is a robot. I call this robot the Thunderbolt. The Thunderbolt robot. Oh guys, see this is actually an advanced and a simple robot at the same time. That is the robot things right there on my screen. Guys, I'll show you guys how we use this robot to raise a small account to $1,400 within 30 days. Alright guys, now stay tuned and I'll take you to my MT5 right now and show you and do a back test for you one-on-one, and you're going to see how it works. This is a mind-blowing robot. It's not your regular kind of robot. Alright guys, you will be amazed on how you see the effectiveness of this robot. So this is actually a very nice one. It traced both the boom and the crash. The boom 1000, the crash 1000, the boom 500 and the crash 500 and crash 300. It trades all of these pairs, and it actually is not one particular file because also you get the two of them in one. You get the two robots in one, so it's not, you're not getting only one particular robot for each pair. You're getting each robot in one. So now let's just check the MT5 and see what's going to happen. So this is my MT5 platform. So I'm going to test the boom 1000 first. I'm going to test the boom 1000 first, and then so you see actually how it works on the boom 1000 and the results we realized after 30 days. You will be shocked. So now I'm looking for the boom 1000 indices, and I put it on a 1 minute time frame. So here I'm actually using an equity of $100. That is not the standard equity though. You can use a $10 equity for that. You can use $10 equity, you can use $20, you can use $30, you can use $50, you can use $1,000. It's just your ability, your capacity depends, is what determines the amount of equity you are going to use. But right here I'm using a equity of 100 for this back test. Okay, now let us click on run and let us see exactly what we are going to get after the robot starts to run. Okay, let us see what we are going to get once the robot starts to run. I think I'm having an issue with network. Actually, I'm having network issue, I think so, because this is taking time for it to load. I think I did not activate my network, so let us give it a time. My network is actually disturbing in a lot of time, so bear with me on that and stick to the end. All right guys, if you are watching to this point and you know you are not a member of this channel yet, click on the subscribe button and be a subscriber. uh Click on the bell notification so I can get notified once a new video is dropped, and also click on the like button, give us a thumbs up, and give us a good comment in the comment section. Okay guys, that is going to help us with YouTube algorithm so that others also can actually see these opportunities and take action on that. Okay, yeah, this is the boom 1000. So let us click on run again and let us see how it's work. I think I've restored my network. Let us see how it plays out. So stay with me and don't go anywhere. You're going to see what is happening right here. So this is actually crazy amazing that robot is actually performing this nice. Okay, I think it has started. Let the screen is going to pop out at any moment from now, but the network is still disturbing so much. It is still disturbing so much. I think I have to work on that. I have to work on that because it's not really good. Okay, now it has started. It wants to pop out the page. Now you see equity here is $100. The equity you're seeing there is $100. Now this is it already, already running right there with equity of $100. Right now we are actually at $200 already, guys. Already at $200 already at this point. But I have issue with network. So, but notwithstanding, we are going to just manage it like that because there's nothing we can do. In this part of the country, the network is disturbing so much. Even though I have a stronger network provider, they are still misbehaving sometimes. So So right now we have at least up to $300 already made already on this particular pair. Boom 1000. This robot has both take profit and stop loss. So it has both take profits and it has stop loss at the same time. So there is nothing you are going to miss because it has both of that. It has both of that already. So at just pardon the network and everything. Let's see to the end of this back test and then see how much we are going to realize after the end of the 30 days with this particular robot Thunderbolt. Remember, the name of this robot is called the Thunderbolt. Okay guys, now we are still on the process. We are still in the process and the scene is actually loading and having issues. So I'm going to actually fast forward it so that we get faster results. Okay, I'll have to fast forward it because it is taking some time. So after the fast forwarding, so you see we have made the end of 30 days. We have 1,430 something dollars made in that particular robot. We have $1,433 made after 30 days. That is amazing. That is awesome. So you see how effective it is. We grow this account from $100 to $1,400. All right guys, this robot is actually effective and very good, and I'm going to give it out to a few persons that are interested on that. I'm going to give it out. Is this robot worth $500? Yes, it's worth $500 because it is very effective. It's not a regular kind of robot and all that. So it's going to be, but I'll give a discount. So if you want to get it now, you're going to get it for $100 only. So you have a $200 giveaway. So you're going to be just getting it for just $100 only for the moment. Just $100 you get it. So now let us check on the Crash 1000 and see how it goes. While I'm setting up the that Crash indices, let me give those that are very interested, the early bet, I call them the fast fingers. So you can get it today and today for $50. So if you are lucky enough, you can be among the first 5 persons that will get it for $50 and enjoy all of that. So it can work on VPS. It can, yes, you can place it on VPS and allow it to run for the whole day 24/7. So you can actually put it on VPS and allow it to run. So here is Crash 1000 already running on the same equity of $100. So let us see how much you can make actually on that particular point. So you can get this robot today for $50, but this actually is for few persons, it's not for everybody. So if you want to be among the first 5 persons that is going to benefit, that will enjoy this robot as it is hot, because it is fresh, it is still new. Okay, so it is still fresh and it's still new. So this is the best time that you are going to get it and enjoy it to the core. Okay, you don't get to be among the late persons. You'll be among the first persons that are going to enjoy this robot. So now we have about $400 already made on the Crash 1000. So far so good. Okay guys, I'm going to fast forward this one too as well, so that I don't waste much of your time here. So let me fast forward this a little bit. Yeah, so far so good. Here we have $700 already made on the Crash 1000. So we are going to get all the indicator files, not only for one. You are going to get for the 2 of them, the Boom and the Crash indices robot. You're going to get all of them for one price. So you're not paying for the double. You are paying as soon as you make your payment, you're going to get the 2 of them at the same time. So that is crazy. And I'm doing this because I want you also to make money in the financial market and make withdrawals and all that. So guys, it's not your kind of robot that you say maybe it will work for 1 day, 2 days, 1 week and then stop running. No, this robot is actually fully licensed. It is fully licensed for those that will have it. So it's not going to go viral like other robots that I have. Okay guys, so I'm doing that because I want you also to have a benefit a profit, and I've tested this robot and I've proven it is working very fine and all that. So like I said, the first 5% that will get it at $50. After that 5% complete, the next people that will come in are going to see it at $100. Okay, and that $100 is not the main price. That is also a discount price. After few time from now, you will see it at $200, because this robot is not just a robot. It is advanced, that is built with so many criteria for it to work. So you see, it does not just take trade, it takes trade with criteria. Okay guys, so that's about the Thunderbolt robot. You don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out of this amazing robot. Okay guys, so to get it, check on the video description. You see the link to my profile, my WhatsApp and Telegram. Send me a message and you get your own copy as soon as possible. Don't miss out of this offer.